So looking here, this is the GPS. This is our GPS. This is G19S. Look at the shape of the GPS. Here, this is where we put the SIM card into the GPS. Then here, it is where we on the GPS. Then here we have these two heads of these three head of the GPS. So this is G19S. So this is GPS. This is the cover, and here this is what we call, this is the mic of the GPS. Look at it. You use this one to stick it on something. So this is the mic of the GPS. So this rope is more than 3 meters. Looking at the GPS, so the rope is 3 meters. Then this one of the sensor you need to install with this GPS. So this GPS work with this. Then we have what we call the relay. So this is the relay that we use with this GPS. And we also have another cable. This cable, one of this cable has to also be connected to this GPS. So that is G19X. So let's go. You see another small GPS. See another small GPS, smaller in size, more than G19S. See another smaller one. So I have this other one also, as you can see. So these are what we call the GPS, and in the next video I will be teaching you how to install this GPS inside your car or in anything you want to install. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just want you to subscribe and wait for another video.